Assalamualaikum to all my dear students. Hope you all are doing great. This is your maths class. Now open your maths countdown book 1. Now this is your revision class for annual examination. Here you can see a short review of previous topic which you have already covered: making 10, comparison, abacus, ascending and descending order, greater than and less than. Hope you remember the number line. You can see a number line that is start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number line can be used for solving the sums, and it is very helpful for addition and subtraction. Let's learn about making 10 by using number line. Here you can see a number line in which we add the number. So the answer, we will start with number 5, then move towards right 5 numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the answer will be equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. When we take away 2 from 10 by using number line, the answer will be, we will start from number 10 to move back number 8. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now comparison between tall and short. Here you can see 2 boys and 2 trees given here. Let's find out by the help of their length which one is tall and which one is short. First boy is tall one, then other one, and first tree is tall than other one. So comparison is done on the basis of its length. Now number names. So this is an abacus. Abacus having 2 rods. The rod on left side show a column of tens, and the rod on right side show a column of ones. Here 1 tens and how many ones? 3 ones. 3 ones, 3. 1 10 and 3 ones. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, and the number name is THIRTEEN 13, and write the number name. Now draw beads on the abacus. First you start ones, sevens. Draw a beads on abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another side, no tens here. 1 10 and how many ones? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. 1 tens and 5 ones is equal to 15. Now count in tens. Here you can see ascending order. Ascending order, here you can see a line which having a numbers. Ascending order means when we move forward like in increasing order. For example, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. You can see as the arrow shows. This is ascending order. Ascending order means when we move forward. Descending order means when we move backward like decreasing order. For example, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. You can check the arrow sign. Okay, so here you can see an example of greater than and less than. The numbers are given below for your help. Let's find out. 10 is, yes, 10 is greater than 8. So which one is greater and smaller? 16 is less than 17. Okay, as you can see, a crocodile symbol which is useful for greater than and less than. Always remember, crocodile like to eat bigger number. Crocodile like to eat bigger number. Okay, now alright, let's wind up our revision class. I hope you understand all the topic very well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.